What's up, everybody? Today we're playing some classic Bed Wars on this minigame Monday. Okay, just gonna collect some materials. Then I'm gonna go over here. Wait, no, wrong one. Gotta go over here and collect some wool. Also, go back here. And then, already bridge out to the Diamond Islands, even though that's probably dumb. Hey, you saw that one fall in the void. Isn't that obvious? But I think it was there. Bridge. Faster. Okay, gotta go faster. Boom. Okay, we're here. Shoot. Seriously, bro. Seriously, I'm gonna get all the way here. I run out of wool, so I have to jump, grab the diamonds, and speed all the way back to my bed. Where is Pink Team? Oh, Pink Team's all the way over there. Use this item shop. I'm gonna grab some wool, wood and the wool. Bang. With a bang. Do. Oh shoot, that's not enough wool. Back here, buy some more wool. Collect this stuff. Back here, finish up this pyramid right here with one last block. And then, boom. Solo upgrade, what can I get? Heal pool, no. 4. Wait a second, I'll head back to diamonds, pick up some more diamonds, and then head back. So, jump. Place, jump. It's probably dumb, but we're gonna head towards the middle. Boom. There's that. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. I can't believe I did not die there. I should have died, but I didn't. That's insane that I survived that. Just me, nothing to here, just me and a poor wooden sword. Just collecting an emerald for some reason. No, that's probably dumb. Yeah. See if I can get over there to that emerald. Hopefully. Yes, I can. Grab these emeralds. So just one. I'm gonna go up here. Take this fall. Back down here. If only I was able to get my wood in time. I mean my wool, not my wood. Jump back here. Jump through these pipes. There, place. Grab these. Okay. Jump. Come on, get back here. Got this stuff, let's go. Go here, upgrade my sword. Gonna grab that. And then bro, what's that dude's click speed? Did he have like an auto clicker or something? Yeah, I think bro's auto clicking. Man, people auto clicking just ruins the game. Well, I think I have time for one more. Let's just hope we don't get someone with an auto clicker this time, because that'll be annoying. I mean, he could be drag clicking. But that just did not feel like drag clicking to me. Okay. There. Come on. Item shop. There. Bridge, 2 diamonds. Right this time. Yep. Go check them, make sure. Dang, they went for endstone? Dang. Just gotta keep my eye on them, make sure they aren't bridging to me. Pull this out there. Then bridge out here. Dang, someone's bed is already destroyed. That was quick. Oh my gosh, I almost fell there. That was so dumb. Luckily, I caught myself. Bridge this up. Back. Head back over here. Go here. Grab this stuff. Imp shop. Wool. Wood. I mean, there. There. Crouch. Boom. 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 Ba-ba-da-da-da. Place. Back here. Grab more stuff. Weapon upgrades. What do I want to get? Armor. I'll get some armor upgrades. I mean, there. Grab this stuff. Like I said, up for go. Oh, I'm out of wool. Oh, pink's bed was destroyed by red. We got like the tail end of that. Shoot, I need more diamonds. What to get? Utility. 4 down, I can get one of those. I can get anything like that. Gonna go back here, grab some wool. Fix that up. Gonna go back over to Diamond Gen. There. Grab those, and I can go grab the sharpness upgrade really quickly. Just boom. Then I just got jump. Bump. Doop. Loop. Oop. Almost fell off there. So here, wait, wrong side. There, sharp. Back here, grab these, where I have 12 gold. I'm gonna go over here and buy a bow. And then pink's out, so that means their gen is just going. Nothing. Like, usually no one grabbing it. I mean, red maybe. No, red's dead. So it probably just has a bunch of resources there. So I'm just gonna bridge over and grab them. Don't want. I can build a little bit more. There. I was considering taking that jump, but I didn't want to risk it because I did not want to fall there. Here, melee. I'll go grab that, and I need to grab some arrows. Then I also need to obviously grab more wool. Oh, I have more wool in my inventory. Duh. It's just not look at all. No, I tried to catch myself there. But bro was just spamming. Like, bro, what is this bro spam rate? Well, that's all I really had time for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode tomorrow. Technical Tuesday with some redstone stuff. Not gonna try to edit this video. I prefer the YouTube I grew up on, where people really just did not edit. It was more just people having fun playing video games. That's what I want this channel to be. So I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.